Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys we'll be working on a Dodge Journey guys, and if you have a code P0013 we will explain you guys how to fix that code, what is causing it, and how to get the part for a really affordable price. You can find it in the description of the video below. You guys have more than 200 videos on this car. Please subscribe. Our mission guys is to save you as much money as we can by teaching you how to fix your car for free. All we need is subscribe and a like guys. So let us show you now how we have the engine light on and we have that code P0013 now. Very annoying code. But good news, it's super easy to fix. So I'll go ahead, press the brake, start the car, and you're going to notice the engine light will just stay on. Stay on. Very annoying thing. So what I'll do, I'm going to turn the car off. You can see now, no brake, stay out of there. Click this thing twice, you go to run position. Ignition is on, engine is not running. Now we'll get that scanner guys, very good scanner, you can find it listed in the description of the video below. We'll check what codes we have in the computer, and you can see the one that comes, it says P0013, this is the code, and it says Camshaft position actuator bank 1, B camshaft position actuator. So we'll go ahead, open the hood and explain where that one is located now. So we're going to come out of the vehicle now, open the hood, and let's explain now what is happening guys. This is the Dodge Journey 3.6 engine, so where is that actuator now? It's called also a camshaft facer. Bank 1 guys is the one towards the windshield. This is your bank 1, and that code P0013 is caused by this facer actuator right here. So let me see if you can get a better view. This one right here. So how you guys remove it? You need to disconnect the wire, pull it out. It has 3 screws. Put the new one, get the screws tight, and we're going to see if that fixes our problem guys. So we're going to replace ours. We have the video on the channel, check it out if you need help with that and see if that will fix our problem now. So we have the new one installed now, and let me show you what is happening now. No brake, run position, ignition on. We're going to get the little computer and we're going to click erase codes. It's erasing the codes now. We're going to turn it off, brake, start. See what's happening? No engine light on guys. That's it right there, that fixed our problem. So thank you for watching and see you guys next time. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.